Hello everyone, I'm Masih Khairi and this is how to make Android mobile application, and welcome to episode 15 part 4 with another Android system services audio manager. Okay guys, in this part we're going to work with the Android audio manager and we will change the Android audio mode using this application. Okay guys, I have created this layout file with 4 buttons: ring, vibrate and silent, and show the mode, the audio mode. And now you can create this layout, and now in here in main activity we need to access those buttons. We need to create 4 buttons in here. Here is a button, ring, button for vibrate, and a button for silent. Okay guys, and a button for mode, show the mode, you guys. And now we need an audio manager. Okay, now in here we need to instantiate these variables. Audio manager, okay, sorry guys, audio manager is equal to get system service. Here is a context dot audio service, and now cast it to audio manager. Here is the audio manager. Okay guys, and now those buttons in here, button ring is equal to button the same things for other buttons. Okay guys, now in here button ring, let's set on clock listener, neon clock listener. Okay, now in here we need to use from the audio manager dot set ringer mode and audio manager dot ringer mode normal. And in here we need a toast message. Here is a toast message dot make text. Mode is mode ring. Okay guys, now for the vibrate button vibrate, here's the set on clock listener, audio manager dot set ring mode. Here is the audio manager, it should be vibrate. Here is a vibrate. Now we need a toast message. Here's a toast message. And now toast dot length long and show the text. Okay guys, we need it for the silent button silent. Here is the silent button. Let's set on click listener. And here audio manager, let's set ringer modes. Audio manager should be silent. Okay guys, now in here we need a toast message. Here is the toast message dot make text. Here is the main activity dot this. And now mode silent, and here is it tools.lineplan.show. Okay guys, for the other button, for the show the mode button, show mode, okay, and here audio manager. And now guys, we need to use from audio manager dot get ringer mode. We need to store it in a variable ing mode is equal to that if the mode is equal to audio manager dot ringer mode normal, and here we need to show a toast message. The mode is ring, and now else if the mode is equal to audio manager dot ringer mode vibrate, and here we need this toast message. The mode is vibrate, and now in health the mode is silent. Okay guys, now it's finished on run the app. Okay, here is the audio manager app. Now the mode ring and vibrate. The mode is vibrate, and here you can see now the vibrate mode is on, and now silent. Here is the mode silent, and phone doesn't have any sound. And you can show the mode. The mode is silent. You can make it vibrate. Now the mode is vibrate and ring. Show the mode. Now the mode is ring. Okay guys, this is how to use from audio manager in your application. Thank you for watching, and share the